Hi everyone, today I am here with Harvey. This is my niece's son, and he's a big boy, aren't you? Because you are going where? To kindergarten. So we're doing a cool haircut for kindergarten, huh? Aren't we, for kindergarten? Yeah, he gets to go on Friday to school, so he's really excited. So we are going to show you his awesome haircut. Harvey has lots and lots and lots of hair, huh, Harvey? When you was a baby, you was born with tons of hair, huh? So yeah, Harvey has super thick hair. And what we're doing now is we're just taking the number 2 and we're coming up around the head, taking this off. His hair grows super fast. But yeah, so we are doing a number 2. We're gonna go around. He's smart too, aren't you, Harvey? Are you smart, boy? Yeah, you did, huh? His little brother's here talking too. It's so fun. They are little cuties, huh, Harvey? And you love dinosaurs, don't you? Do you love dinosaurs? Yep, like Uncle Presley, huh? Okay. Okay, we're coming over here by the ear. Harvey, you're doing awesome, bud. Are you excited to go to kindergarten? Yeah? Yes, because you're growing so big and tall now? Okay, and then we'll go ahead and clean up around his ear in just a little bit. Okay, now we are gonna spray the top down. Ooh, is that a little cold? Or does it feel good? Because it's hot today, isn't it, buddy? All right. Spraying this down a little bit. Okay, and then his mom wants it just short and easy, so they can either just leave it down, just kind of comb it to the side, or do it up and a little messy. So we're going middle to side, and then I always love on these haircuts to, start with the middle and then go to the side and then go to the other side. And then I love to come and take care of the crown right after that first cut on the top, because it gives me, my guide point of how short that I want it. And then I do the crown, and then I start again in the middle and then go to the side and then this side and middle. Yep, I always, with guide cuts, just to follow, keep track of where you're at, I love to go middle to side, middle to side. And then once you get done with that, you can double check it by going the opposite way that you cut it. So if you're one that likes to cut it, this way, long way, first, then if I was you, I would come back and check it this way. So it doesn't matter exactly which way you're cutting first, whatever you're comfortable with, but whatever way you do cut, you always want to double check the opposite way. Okay, look up for me, buddy. Perfect, good job, thank you. So middle, now we go to the side, Okay, and then this is what I'm talking about. We're gonna wanna go this way and double check everything. Make sure this is all even. Okay, that's even. And then I like to do the front. Okay, go ahead and look up at me. Good job, buddy. Awesome. Then I just like to come in, kind of point cut at this. You doing good, bud? You're getting there. You are halfway done. Can you believe it? You're doing so good. Okay, now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make this a little bit shorter through this area. So obviously, if you know the kid, you know what their mom likes, just like this, these corners always grow faster on him. So I'm taking those a little bit shorter and probably right there a little bit more. And I could tell that once I kind of was lifting this up. There you go. That's gonna look so good, bud. Okay, now we're going to blend in the sides. Blending combs are the best. I've done it with both. Like the one time I had lost my blending comb, so I did it with a regular comb, and it's a lot harder. So I recommend getting a blending comb. Come in and push in, but then out. The closer you leave the comb to the head, the more hair you're gonna take off. So if you're just starting, maybe leave it, further away from the head, and then you can always go back in and take more hair. Okay, good job. Oh, you're doing awesome. Okay, tilt this way. Perfect. Now I'm coming up kind of in this corner just to take a little bit more off right there. Good job. Way to keep your head still, buddy. If you're starting to, like I've said before, you just go straight up this way. It takes less hair off. If you've done it a little bit longer and you feel more comfortable, you can go horizontal, just back and forth this way to take more length off. Not even more length, just more hair off at a time. Okay, look this way. Good job, bud. So you can see how his hair grows down on his forehead more this way. What I like to do when that happens with kids is come a little bit shorter here, so when it grows out, it doesn't poke out. So if you can go a little bit tighter through that area, it will last, their haircut will last longer, and it won't bug them as much as it grows out. So just through this area, I just kind of tighten that up a little bit more. Okay, same on this side. So it comes down a little bit more. I'm gonna just kind of push this hair down and come a little bit tighter just through that area. Okay, now I'm gonna check it out. Okay, let's see, can you look in the mirror, Harvey? Oh, you are awesome. Good job, bud. Gonna blend a tiny bit more here. Okay, and then I always check corners, which means from where you blend to where you cut. Sometimes there's a little corner left, and if so, then you can take that off. That helps out the growing process also. There's a little corner and you can cut that off. It'll look better growing out the haircut. Okay. Good job. Harvey, you are doing so good, bud. It looks like you're ready for kindergarten. I love that. That looks so good. Okay, now the little trimmers, we're gonna come by his ears. Okay, make sure their face is just straight so we can go straight across. Does it tickle, buddy? No? Oh, good. Good, good. And I'm just holding his ear down to take that hair off. I am so proud of you, Harvey. You have done so good. Okay, just coming down to clear up the neck area. Okay. All right, now we're going to go around this ear. Okay, and look here. Good job. And then around this way. get that ear nice and clean. Okay. Awesome. Okay, now what we're gonna do is grab the Flexi Gel. This is a gel that will hold, but it's not going to make it like crunchy or sticky or anything, but it will hold all day. Okay. Awesome, Harvey. Okay, let's look in the mirror. Do you like it? Is that good? Do you like it up like this? Yes? Okay. Okay, will you look at RaDona and let me just see? Oh, looks so good, buddy. Love it. Okay, now I'm going to turn him around so you can see. Haircut. Okay, awesome. Can you wave to everybody and tell them bye? Say, see you later, huh? Say, I'm going to have so much fun in kindergarten, huh? Thank you, Harvey. You're awesome. Okay, have a great day, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the cut, and we'll chat next time. See ya. Thank you.